What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now it's an exciting day today. Well, it's an exciting day for Spenny Boy anyway, isn't it?
Big day, find out what the old Mark IV's pushing out. Yeah,
so we're actually going to a rolling road day today at Evotune in Durham. It's been arranged by the 57 Variety Car Club on Facebook by Gaz Williamson, so thanks Gaz in advance. But we're actually going to take Spencer's Mark IV down and see what the old girl produces.
What do you think?
We've actually got a bit of an idea how much it'll pull, because when we went down to France to pick up the gearbox from Steve, cheers Steve, we actually logged the airflow there and back, and on peak boost we're pushing about 215 GS, which translates to about 268 brake. Which
high 260s.
So at the time,
which we were going to keep a secret and guess at. But
at the time, I'm pretty sure I said, "Oh, well, this ECU has been rolling road mapped, and I've got a printout for it at 255." But I never really believed that, to be honest. So I said 260, which is good stage 1 KO4 power.
I said 264.
264, and the math readings suggest 268, which would really annoy us, because when I was talking to Nick Vaughan this morning, he guessed at 268 brake horsepower. So I'd be devastated if he was right.
He's gonna diagnose it over the internet.
That's typical Nick Vaughan, that prone, honestly, Team Prone Racing. He can guess over the internet. He's that good. He's that skilled. He best not get it right, I'm telling you. So my guess is 260. Yours is 264.
Yeah,
Nick Vaughan's is 268. So let's get this thing on the rollers, and we'll see what it gets at. Really looking forward to this one. I also forgot to mention, we're meeting up with a couple of friends, including Dan Bullerwell, who's got a Mark II Golf with an ABF engine. You've seen the car on the channel before. Well, he's taking the car as well to see what that's kicking out, because he's just put a tuning chip in it, hasn't he? I think he's claiming it's going to give him an extra 7 brake horsepower.
7 torques as well.
7 torques as well. Don't forget the torques. He's claiming, so that's going to be ABF power 150 plus 7. So he's thinking 157. I'm thinking just strong ABF power, to be honest. And ABFs are good, they're very good solid engines.
I think over 160, mate.
Do you think?
Definitely.
You lighten the flywheel and yeah, you do some nice little breathing mods on the ABF, and they're known to be good for 170. So, but it's a pretty standard ABF in a Mark II Golf. So yeah, we'll see that as well. I'm really looking forward to that. There's a good bit of banter going around about this car, so we'll see how good it is. Anyway, down to Evotune. Dan, what's the prediction? It's your car.
145.
Mark II Golf, ABF. 145. What do you think, Chris? A good solid 90. You're not looking. It's too much. Oh yeah, we'll go. 153. 153. Oh, it's a bit more than that. 156. 157.
Just keep that.
Oh, it's got it. Yes! 160.3. Happy with that, Dan? 160. Class. 70 more than a solid 90, Chris. Oh, it's got nothing. So is that flywheel on then, is it not? No?
Just it'll be 167.
It should be.
Just done as proud of me old girl.
Imagine what she would have done if you had a BAM. Are you nervous, Spence?
Where the money is? Is it a butterfly?
Colour that friggin' rock cover.
Lifting, innit? Only fingerprint.
Oh, sausage! Fucking sausage!
See you there, man.
A lot more than what we thought. A lot more.
I'm actually quite surprised.
I am massively surprised.
But again, I mean, I'm happy for you, but I'm even more happy that Nick Vaughan didn't get it right. So the final figure, 273.5 brake horsepower. That's pretty impressive, that. If you look at the graph as well, I mean, we see that boost spike.
It's horrendous.
It is horrendous.
We knew it was horrendous. We knew it was.
So look at that. So you know, it basically at 3,000 RPM, it just goes whoa, vertical. So no wonder it killed the rod. The torque basically just follows the boost as it should. It's a little wobbly, but the really rauch thing is that the torque is still only what, 260, 270 pound-foot. You would have thought that the spike would have
been 300 or something.
much worse,
knock it in to snap that rod. I thought the standard rods could take 300 foot-pounds.
Did you? I mean, you don't listen to the internet, do you?
Obviously not.
That's pretty mad. So it's not so much the actual torque figure, it's just that spike. It's horrific. I mean, look at that. That's absolutely mental. Anyway, not one of us guessed the power.
No.
So it was even higher than expectation.
Yeah, it was.
Barmy that.
And remember, it's just off the old Mark II Golf with the Q4 18T. I'm sure you'll put a clip on.
The crazy look at that. The boost just like spikes out, but then it just tails off. And you would expect if that ramp didn't come in there so hard, then it would have held on boost a lot longer. And it could have possibly even pushed that brake horsepower figure just up that little smidge more. I mean, it could be more in this setup. I think so. Yeah. The AFR is good, a little shaky. Boost's mental as we thought. Torque is not as nowhere near as what we thought, as bad as what I thought it would be. And the power is pretty linear, apart from that, you know, that little hiccup.
Happy? I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I'd be happy with that, like, absolutely.
Happy with that figure, not necessarily happy with how it comes in.
How it makes it.
How it's delivered.
That's pretty cool. So that's Spence getting 273.5 brake horsepower, which is above what he thought. And it just so happens that Dan also got, what was it, 160?
160.9?
Yeah, 160, which is above what he thought. I wonder if that was the chip.
But
do you think that was the chip?
No, I reckon it would have got more if it wasn't for the chip.
I think it would have got 265 without the chip. But you know, it is pretty cool, that. Really good little day that. So thanks very much for the 57 Variety Club for arranging it, Gaz Williamson, appreciate it. Thanks for Evotune for doing it. Evotune in Durham. And that's it. Well, it's always nice to get a power figure, isn't it? So you know what you're dealing with now. Now we have something to work with. The plot thickens.